As a business evolves, it goes through four basic stages, and at every stage of the business life cycle, your company's financial needs are going to change. So, what are those four stages? Well, I would first say, when your business is new, what you need most of all is investment capital and a detailed business plan. Compare that fail to glue, simply designing. So, as your business expands, you are most centrally going to need additional financing. And finally, by the time as a business is mature, you will want to get a calculated solution so that should you want to, you can sell the company at a designed profit.